Alright, this needs to be recorded because I'm putting a lot of work in to fix this thing. Here is the washer that was not draining. I finally figured out how to put the codes in, or get the codes, so I could see what was wrong, and it said it was the drain. So what I had to do is I had to take this apart, and you can see all that dirt in there? It's all clogged up. I'm hoping I can just kind of squirt some water in there and get it out. But first thing I'm gonna do is reinstall this after I just cleaned it out, because before it was just caked with dirt and mud. You could hear the grit. So if this works, I'm gonna put it back in, and mission accomplished. I just saved myself at least 150, 200 bucks. Screws aren't exactly easy to get at. Luckily, my roommate had the right tool. You need one of these. Just standard socket wrench, 8mm, and then Phillips head. The real bitch was draining it, especially since I did it twice. I did it with a cup and a bucket, and second time I tried using a siphon, and that actually helped out the last bit, but in the beginning I couldn't get it to go from the washer to the sink, so it wasn't really working. Alright, this is not on there very tight, but I don't want it too tight in case I gotta do this again. Well, we'll see. Well, this is the moment of truth. Hope it works. I actually broke a sweat getting those screws in and out. Come on, come on. It wants to work, I can tell. I heard the drain going, the drain pump, so I know it's not busted. That's awesome. And if it does fry, then at least I know how to change it out. That's a good sign. Yeah, just call me the Maytag man.